Good day everyone! Welcome back to Math A YouTube channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel na ito, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more updates. Our lesson for today is about solving corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, o ito yung tinatawag nating CP-CTC. In solving problems involving corresponding parts of congruent triangles, you must always remember that when you have two congruent triangles, that means the corresponding sides and corresponding angles are congruent. Thus, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So, para mas maintindihan natin, bigyan natin ito ng example. So, ang given natin ay triangle DEF is congruent to triangle XYZ. Solve for the measure of missing parts of congruent triangles. So, ito yung ating figure. We have triangle DEF and triangle XYZ. So, ang ibang parts ng ating triangles ay mayroon ng sukat. So, kailangan na lang nating isolve yung mga sukat ng other parts ng ating congruent triangles. So, first, kailangan nating ma-identify ang corresponding congruent sides. So, based dito sa ating given, kahit walang identical marks ang ating figure, we can identify the corresponding congruent sides. So first, we have side DE is congruent to side XY. So ito yung ating side DE para sa triangle DEF at side XY naman para sa ating triangle XYZ. So they are congruent. Ibig sabihin yan, ang sukat ng side DE at side XY ay magkapareho. So, we have here, DE is equal to XY. Since ang side DE ay mayroon ng sukat na 23 cm, we can say that side XY is also equal to 23 cm. Okay, next, another corresponding congruent sides. So, we have side EF is congruent to side YZ. So, this is our side EF at ito naman yung ating side YZ. Since sila ay congruent, ibig sabihin, side EF is equal to side YZ. So, it means that kung ang YZ ay equal sa 22 cm, side EF will be also equal to 22 cm. So, ito yung magiging measurement ng ating side EF. Next, last corresponding congruent sides ay side DF is congruent to side XZ. So, it means that side DF is equal to side XZ. So, tingnan natin ang ating figure. So, ang DF measures 25 cm. It means that XZ will be also equal to 25 cm. Okay, so nakuha na natin ang measurement ng ating corresponding congruent sides. Let us proceed to corresponding congruent angles. So again, based sa ating given, we can say that angle D is congruent to angle X. So, ito ang ating angle D at angle X. It means that the measurement of angle D is equal to the measurement of angle X. So, kung ang angle X is equal to 47 degrees, ang angle D is also equal to 47 degrees. Okay, next. angle E is congruent to angle Y. So, ito yung ating angle E sa ating figure at angle Y. So, we are going to look for the measure of angle Y. So, ibig sabihin, the measure of angle E is equal to the measure of angle Y. So, kung ang angle E is equal to 73 degrees, it means that angle Y is also equal to 73 degrees since they are congruent. And the last one, angle F is congruent to angle Z. So, ang measure ng angle F is also equal to the measure of angle Z. So, tingnan natin ang figure. This is our angle F, so wala siyang sukat. Ang angle Z ay wala ding sukat. So, paano natin malalaman ang measurement ng dalawang angles na ito? So, take note, ang total measurement ng isang triangle ay equal sa 180 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, para makuha natin ang measurement ng ikatlong angle, pwede nating i-add yung dalawang angle and then the sum of these two angles will be subtracted to 180 degrees. So, let us solve. The measure of angle F is equal to, so 180 degrees minus, i-add natin ang measure ng angle D at angle E. So, this will be equal to, the measure of angle F is equal to 180 degrees minus, ang sukat ng angle D ay 47 degrees, based dito sa atin nakuha kanina. At ang sukat naman ng angle E ay 73 degrees. So next, kapag inad natin ang 47 degrees at 73 degrees, ito ay equal sa 120 degrees. So last step, isubtract natin ang 120 degrees sa 180 degrees. So this time, nakuha na natin ang measurement ng angle F which is equal to 60 degrees. So itong angle F is equal to 60 degrees. Since meron na tayong measure ng angle F, balikan natin ang ating huling corresponding congruent angle. So it means that the measure of angle Z is also equal to 60 degrees. Since ang angle C corresponds to angle F. Okay, so nakuha na natin lahat ng measure ng ating corresponding congruent parts of congruent triangles. So for our last example, ang given natin ay triangle BOY is congruent to triangle GRL. Solve for the value of x and y. Then find the measure of missing parts of congruent triangles. So, ito yung ating triangle BOY at triangle GRL. So, first, kunin natin ang corresponding congruent sides. Based sa ating given, we can say that side BO is congruent to side GR. So, ibig sabihin nito, kung ano ang sukat ng BO, yun din ang magiging sukat ng side GR. So, ang side BO natin ay 2x plus 3. At ang ating side GR, ang given ay 11. So, as you can see, we have to look for the value of x. So, let us solve this algebraically. So, 2x is equal to 11. So, 3 will be transposed. So, kaya naging 11 minus 3. So, next, copy 2x equals 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. So, we have to divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 is equal to x. And then 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So the value of x is equal to 4. Next, so we can now get the value of side BO. So again, ang side BO ay equal sa 2x plus 3. So isa-substitute natin yung nakuha nating value ng x dito sa ating equation. So ang BO or side BO is equal to 2 times 4 plus 3. So 2 times 4 is equal to 8 and 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So it means that ang sukat ng ating side BO ay equal sa 11. So as you can see, pareho ang na-obtain natin na value ng sukat ng side BO at sukat ng side GR. So next, another corresponding congruent sides based dito sa ating given ay side OY is congruent to side RL. So ang OY natin is equal to 15 at ang side RL ay missing. So it means that 15 is equal to side RL or side RL is also equal to 15. So ang sukat nito ay 15. Next, last corresponding congruent side, side BY is congruent to side GL. So BY is congruent to GL. So kung ano man ang sukat ng BY is the same with side GL. So BY is equal to 12 since ang GL is equal to 12. Okay, let us proceed now with corresponding congruent angles. So first, angle B is congruent to angle G. So ang ating angle B is equal to 93 degrees at ang angle G naman ay equal sa 3y minus 6 degrees. So, we have to solve first for the value of y. So, we can now have 93 degrees. So, i-transpose natin yung negative 6. We have here plus 6 is equal to 3y. So, by adding 93 and 6, we can get 99 is equal to 3y. So, divide both sides by 3. So, 99 divided by 3 and 3y divided by 3. So, ang value ng ating y ay 33 degrees. So, next, so the measure of angle G is equal to 3y minus 6 degrees. So, ito yon yung angle G natin. So, para makuha natin yung value niya, kailangan nating i-substitute yung na-obtain natin o nakuha nating value ng y. So, we now have here, the measure of angle G is equal to 3. And then, y will be replaced by 33 degrees. And then, copy natin yung minus 6. So, our answer is 3 times 33. So, we have here 99 degrees minus 6. So, the measure of angle G is now equal to 93 degrees. So, it means that angle G is equal to 93 degrees. Kapareho ng sukat ng ating angle B. So, another corresponding congruent angle. So, we have here angle O is congruent to angle R. So, ito yung ating O at ito naman yung ating R. So, the measure of angle O is equal to the measure of angle R. So, it means that angle O is equal to 48 degrees, katulad ng sukat ng angle R. And the last one, angle Y is congruent to angle L. So, whatever the measure of angle Y will also be the measure of angle L. So, tingnan natin yung figure. Ito yung ating angle Y. Ito naman yung ating angle L. So, pareho silang walang sukat. So, paano ulit ang ating gagawin? So we now have here the measure of angle Y is equal to 180 degrees minus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle O. So take note that the total measure of a triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. Kaya ito yung naging formula natin. So let us substitute. So we have here, ang measure ng angle B ay 93 degrees at ang measure ng angle O ay 48 degrees. So i-add natin ito. So we have here 141 degrees. Yung 141 degrees, isubtract natin sa 180. At ang sagot ay 39 degrees. So ibig sabihin, balik tayo dito sa figure, ang angle Y measures 39 degrees. So kung gusto natin malaman kung tama ang ating sagot, you can add 93 plus 48 plus 39. So this should be equal to 180 degrees. Okay? Since meron ng sukat ang ating angle Y, ibig sabihin, angle L will also be equal to 39 degrees. Okay, so that ends our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Grace. See you again next time. Bye!